Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Are you tired of your daily routine? Are you bored doing the same chores again and again? Are you feeling overwhelmed and no interest in anything? Don't worry, I am here to cheer you up with this interesting story. You listen to the story and you will be filled with energy and you get motivated. So, without much ado, let's dive into the story. The Rainbow's Voyage. Once upon a time, in a realm where the heavens touched the seas, there lived a magical rainbow. It wasn't just a bridge of colors, it had the power to unite the skies, the earth, and the waters. The rainbow grew lonely as it watched over the world, longing for an adventure beyond its arc. One day, the rainbow looked down and saw a boat sailing aimlessly on the vast ocean. The boat was called Dreamcatcher, and its captain was a curious human being named Mira. Mira was an explorer who sought the wonders of the world, but her heart was heavy. She had spent years searching for the meaning of life, only to find unanswered questions. The rainbow whispered to the god of the skies, asking to descend and guide Mira. The god, amused by the rainbow's wish, granted its request. The rainbow transformed into a vibrant beam of light and landed gently on the boat. Mira, astonished, reached out to touch the shimmering colors. Suddenly, the boat glided faster, carried by an unseen force. The rainbow spoke, "Mira, I am here to guide you, but our journey must include all of Earth's creatures, for the answer you seek lies in their unity." As they traveled, they encountered various animals. A wise dolphin who showed them the beauty of underwater life, a playful monkey who taught them the joy of the present moment, a fierce eagle who soared high and shared its vision of the endless horizon. Each animal added its essence to the rainbow's light, deepening its colors. Mira felt her soul awakening with every encounter. Finally, they arrived at the sacred island of eternity, where the god awaited. Mira asked, "What is the purpose of life? And why do we wander in search of meaning?" The god smiled and said, "The meaning of life is not a destination, but the journey itself. The connections you make, the lessons you learn, and the harmony you find in diversity." The rainbow, glowing brighter than ever, returned to the skies, its mission fulfilled. Mira sailed back, her heart full, ready to share her new-found wisdom with the world. From that day on, whenever a rainbow graced the sky, people and creatures would pause, reminded of the journey of unity, discovery, and the profound beauty of life. Hi friends, did you like the story? Yes, I am also like you only, sometimes very tired, fatigued, don't know what to do and no interest in anything. But when I read like the stories or when I hear some stories like this, I get rejuvenated. Now, I want a help from you. You have to comment and tell me what are the characters you want to see in the story. Based on that, I will make a story for you. I am sure now your anxiety, your worries, everything is gone. So now let me tell you what I understood from this story. Unity in harmony. The story highlights the importance of unity and harmony among all living beings. Let it be human beings or animals, we have to live in harmony with everyone. Self-discovery. Mira's journey is a metaphor for self-discovery and finding one's purpose. Many times we search purpose for our life, but we ourselves have to search and find the purpose. When we do this, we live better. Connection with nature. The story emphasizes the importance of connecting with nature and appreciating its beauty. Yeah, we get everything from nature, so we need to appreciate the beauty of nature. Also, we have to take care of it. Symbolism. Rainbow represents unity, harmony, and diversity. Different colors present in the sky. It gives us new energy to our life. Boat, Dreamcatcher, symbolizes Mira's journey of self discovery. Animals represent different aspects of life and wisdom. The lessons what I learnt is meaning of life. The story suggests that the meaning of life is not a destination but the journey itself. The life we live is should be meaningful. Importance of connections. The story highlights the importance of connections with others and with nature. We should be connected with everyone around us. We cannot live a lonely or alone life. Harmony in diversity. The story celebrates the beauty of diversity and promotes harmony among all living beings. Reflections. Appreciate the journey. The story encourages us to appreciate the journey of life rather than focusing on the destination. Always thinking about all the worries and anxieties in our life. No, appreciate your life. The life what you are living, appreciate it, enjoy it. Everybody has problems and difficulties. It comes and goes, but we should not be grumbling about the same problems and difficulties. We should come out of it and we should see the good part of our life. Enjoy the good part of our life. Speak about it. Share about it to others. Celebrate diversity. The story celebrates the beauty of diversity and promotes harmony among all living beings. What a wonderful and thought-provoking story. I hope you all enjoyed the story, and what I understood I shared with you. What you all understood from the story, please comment and tell me. It will be helpful for me also to learn something new. Also comment to the characters on which you want to hear the story. Then I will make a story for you. Subscribe to the channel and share the video with others. Thanks for watching and have a blessed day.